Welcome to English Grammar Quiz.
The manuscript was written by the author himself. She would pass her exam if she had studied harder. Will you be attending the conference next week? He will reach the top of the mountain by noon. Can she speak 5 languages fluently? By next year, she's been studying English for 10 years. Will you be here tomorrow at this time? She would read the book if it had been available. The document will have been completed by the time they arrive. If you speak English well, you could teach it. Will he have finished his project by now? She hasn't had her lunch yet. The cat jumped through the window when I arrived. The results won't be released until next week. By the time they reach home, they will be exhausted. Will she leave the office before 5 p.m.? They will have watched the movie by the time we get there. Was he speaking to you when I called? I wish I had more time to study for the exam. The meeting will be at 3 p.m. tomorrow. If you had known him earlier, you could have helped. She goes to the beach every weekend. The baby had been crying for 2 hours before finally falling asleep. By the time we get there, the show will have already started. If I were you, I would reconsider that decision. The painting was by a famous artist. Would you like some more coffee? She had a difficult time finding her keys yesterday. Have they finished the project yet? He was working on his homework when the phone rang. She saw her brother last night.
Thanks for watching.